Get down to the last boat ride, looks like.
Man, reach out there. I know. Take her out. Hey! Let's go!
And that current right up there is by no means inconsequential. I've been through it, even though this is a low water condition. If it wasn't for Derek Eimer, who's an expert boat handler and dredger out there on the controls, you might not be having quite as easy of a time. Good job, Derek. There goes the pilot boat. Dave's jet boat. He's been up and down many a river. I've seen him go flying by me in the road with that thing. Get the raft moving in the direction he needs it to head downriver, and they're going to hit some rapids pretty soon. I have been up and down through those rapids back in 2013. I went up and down through them quite a lot. They were much fiercer at high water level than they are going to be today. There they go through the rapids. And they'll unload them and come back for us.
Go ahead, Derek.
Ready? We're in the boat. We're gonna make it in one piece, right?
You coming? Absolutely.
Yep, one piece.
This is the last load. Dave McCracken. Dave McCracken has not killed one person yet today.
Well,
Yeah. It's not over with yet.
It's early. All right.
we're only halfway there.
Gotcha.
Now we gotta do the whoopie-doo. Yeah. Give them lots of room.
Where's the rope?
Right there. Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, here we go.
No choke there.
Boy, that was nice. Stretch him. Here we go. I'll let you get wet. I'm waterproof. I've been through this rapid before anyway in my own boat. This is the fun part. Woohoo! And it's cold!
Save the camera.
Yeah!
I gotta refill my water bucket.
Woohoo!
You need to wipe it
It's
off.
waterproof. We're good to 30 meters. Unfortunately, my underwear are not waterproof. Are we having fun yet, John?
We're having fun. We're having lots of fun.
It doesn't get much better than this.
This is different this time. Totally different. It's cool.
Exciting. Hey, there's a miner on shore.
Hey, I forgot to tell you guys.
Get any gold?
There's a surcharge in order to get back.
Okay, well I'll save that rattlesnake I found up on the trail.
Can we prepay?
So, I can swim. Who's the best swimmer?
This guy over here.
I built in flotation device so I don't drown. Let's go.
That instructor.
Oh, the wave has to start at the front of the boat, right? Woo!
All right, everybody participate.
All right, here we go. There's the droop up on shore. The coxswain is at the helm. And
Collision!
collision alert.
We thought it was bumper cars.
That's how you park.
I'm not driving.
Take your vest off. Everybody take your vest off.
What if I fall in?
Don't.
Okay. All right.
Take your hats off.
I don't want to go home.
Up and out.
Let me have hands.
Sorry, got something. Yeah.
And we disembark. Good job, Derek. That's Derek Eimer, master miner. So-so on the outboard motor, master miner.
Well, needs to learn how to park.
Yeah, you need to learn how to parallel park, the guy says.
They need to learn how to park first.
That was fun. All right, let's go join the group.